Children, listen. Chapter number 4, miscellaneous exercise. Question number 4 we are doing. Already the first 3 questions we have done in the previous video. So fourth one, let's go. A is given, okay, and they asking to verify left hand side is equal to right hand side. For adjoint of A, we have to find A inverse. Means inverse. For adjoint of A, we have to find inverse. So that first we'll find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A now we need to make 4 by 4 matrix sum, right? So that from middle we have to start 3, 3 after 1, 1 after what? 2, okay, 2 after again 3. So when I go to row 3, 1, 1 after 5, 5 after come here 1, again 1. Then go to row number 1, 2, 2 after 1, 1 after again 1, then 2. First row you have to write in the last. So 3, 1, 2, 3. Sir, for making what is the adjoint of A, this will be very, very important. This is the idea we are using to find very easily 3 by 3 matrix adjoint of A. Okay, right, fine. First, adjoint A means left hand side we are finding, no? So the adjoint of A we need, right? So multiply this 3 5s are 15, formula minus 1 1s are 1, which is equal to 14. So 14 you write here, and 1 1s are 1, formula minus 2 5s are 10, which is equal to minus 9. So here minus 9. 2 1s are 2, formula minus 3 1s are 3, which is equal to minus 1. So here minus 1. Same manner here 1 1s are, what is that? 1 1s are 1, 5 2s are 10, which is equal to minus 9. So here minus 9 you will be getting. 5 1s are 5, formula minus 1 1s are 1, which is equal to 4. So that 4 you will be getting. So 1 2s are 2, formula minus 1 1s are 1, which is equal to 1 you will be getting. That's it. And same manner here 2 1s are 2, formula minus 1 3s are 3, which is equal to minus 1. So here minus 1 you will be getting. 1 2s are 2, formula minus wait Raja. What is that? 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1 is equal to 1. And next 1 3s are, what is that? 3, formula minus 2 2s are 4, which is equal to minus 1. So this will be minus 1. For this we have to take transpose, then only you will be getting adjoint A. So that adjoint A, take transpose ma, row 1 you write as column 1, then 14 minus 9 minus 1, minus 9 4 1, minus 1 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is my even after taking transpose also you are getting the same or what? Yeah, right, fine. So this is my adjoint A, Raja. This is my adjoint A. For this, what they asking actually? What they asking? Inverse they asking. See now the adjoint A you wanna consider as a one matrix. For this, if you wanna find inverse now, what is the first step? Determinant we have to find. So find determinant. So that determinant of adjoint A. For finding inverse, we need a determinant. Okay, find a determinant. So what I'm getting? 14 minus 9 minus 1 and minus 9 4 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 again. So we have to find a determinant. Determinant if you find, you will be getting. So that first as per the row 1 I'm going. Determinant of adjoint A, which is equal to, what is that? 14 if I take now, what I'm getting? First row, first column, if you strike dot 4 1 1 minus 1 you will be getting. Okay, so that 4 1 1 minus 1. Second element, if we go formula minus, we have to give, and second element we have minus 9 there. So that minus of minus 9 you will be getting, and that column and row if you cancel, minus 9 1 minus 1 minus 1 you will be getting. Okay, so that minus 9 1 minus 1 1 you will be getting. Minus 1 minus 1, sorry, minus 1 minus 1. Third element when you go plus, third element what we have? minus 1. Third element what we have? Minus 1. Minus 1 I mentioned there. So that minus 1 row column, if we strike what I am getting? Minus 9, 4. Minus 9, 4. Minus 1, 1. Okay. Now if you simplify, you will be getting the required Raja. So that 14 into, just you simplify. 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Formula minus 1 ones are 1. Minus in the minus plus 9. So this when you what is the product? Minus in the minus plus 1 nines are 9. Formula minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus in the minus plus 1 plus into minus 1 into 9 minus 9 into 1 minus 9. Formula minus 1 into 4 minus in the minus plus 4 you will be getting. Okay. Now what it will be? 14 into minus 5 plus 9 into 10 minus of minus 5. Minus of minus 5. Now simplified as a plus and minus 14 5s are 4 5s are 20 remaining 2 4 na okay 70 here 90 minus and minus plus 5. So what I'm getting the Raja 25 what I'm getting ma 25 is my adjoint what are Raja A. Okay, adjoint of A is equal to 25 we are getting. Understand? Right. Now inverse if you want na what I need. Okay, after finding adjoint of A, if you want to inverse now, what you will be doing? Then adjoint A inverse is exists. So what I need to find inverse? Sir, adjoint A inverse if you want to find na determinant A we need first. After exists, what we have to do? Tell me, anyone? Again adjoint of A we need. Means for this matrix you want to find again adjoint of A. Understand? Means this 4 by 4 you want to make for what we got that matrix. Okay. So one more 4 by 4 for this matrix you have to write. So what we have there 4 from 4 we have to start. I'm writing here 4 after we have 1. So 1 you have to give. After 1 minus 9. So minus 9 you give children. Again the 4 starting element should be ending as it is. Then row 3 I'm taking 1 after 1 after minus 1 after minus 1 again the starting element should be ending. Then row 1 I'm going for minus 9 it is there minus 9 after what we have minus 1. Okay, and minus 1 after 14 after minus 9. The row again you writing as a third row na 4 1 minus 9 4 you will be getting. This is my 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, right. With the help of this we can find what is that adjoint of A we can find adjoint of A. So that adjoint of A I'm finding. It means if you are taking this matrix as a C na, C adjoint of A if you are taking C na, what it will be? Adjoint C you will be getting. Adjoint C you will be getting. I understand. That is the concept. But I am not taking C anything, just writing as it is. Right, fine. So that you want to take multiply na? Multiply 4 into minus 1 what pa? Minus 4 formula minus 1 1s are 1 which is equal to minus 5. So that I am getting minus 5. Next 1 into minus 1 formula minus 9 into minus 9 minus 1 na minus and minus plus but this will be as it is. So that minus 10 you will be getting minus 10. And here minus the 9 into 1 minus 9 formula minus 4 into minus 4 minus and minus plus 4 which is equal to minus 5 you will be getting. So that here minus 5. Okay, now one more. Okay, 1 into minus 1 formula minus this one if you product 9 da which is equal to minus 10 you will be getting. So that minus 10 and minus 1 into 14 minus 14 formula minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 da, but this minus will be as it is which is equal to minus 15. So minus 15 you will be getting. Minus 1 into minus 9 plus 9 formula minus 1 into 14 minus 14 which is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 you can write. Next minus 9 into 1 minus 9 formula minus this one minus 1 into 4 minus minus plus 4 which is equal to minus 5. So here minus 5 like that minus 1 into minus 9 na what is that minus and minus plus 9 formula minus 1 14s are 14 which is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 you will be getting 14 into 4 4 4s are 16 balance 1 4 plus 1 na 556 formula minus. So that 9 nines are 81. When you subtract what I am getting pa 81 Raja 81 minus 56 minus so if you borrow this will be 7 11 then 5 I am getting 25. So that minus 25 I am getting what my dear minus 25. So minus 25 you will be having. For this if you take transpose you will be getting the required. Understand, take a transpose ma then you will be getting adjoint of A you will be getting. Understand, so that what I am getting if you take transpose row 1 I will be writing as a column that means minus 5 minus 10 minus 5 again then row 2 I am writing as column 2 means minus 10 minus 15 minus 5 and this one I am writing as a row column 3. So minus 5 minus 5 minus 25. That's it, I have done. Now we have to find adjoint A whole inverse. Okay, so that what is that adjoint A whole inverse equal to what is the formula 1 by determinant of adjoint A okay into adjoint of adjoint A. Okay, adjoint of adjoint A we have to product. These two things if you product you will be getting the required first left hand side answer. Still we are in left hand side answer children. Okay, still we are in left hand side answer. Can I go to next page? Right, I need a next page pa right fast pa Raja. No this also I need for doing next question and all. Or else adjoint of A if I'm ready to erase. If I need can you tell me the you okay then I will rub the first page. First page can I rub children? Okay Raja. First page I will rub. This 4 by 4 also. Right. Now we can substitute in it. What is that adjoint A whole inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A what we determinant of adjoint of A what ma 25. So that 1 divided by 25 adjoint of A what ma here we have take that right here minus 5 minus 10 minus 5 again minus 10 minus 15 minus 5 and last row minus 5 minus 5 minus 25. So this is my answer. So 25 if you take inside you will be getting or else minus 5 you bring outside better. Minus 5 if you bring outside now what is your answer? See children minus 5 1 2 1 am I right? Minus 5 if you bring outside like that in second row 2 3 1 like that here 1 1 5 am I right? Now you can cancel this what 1 5s are 5 5s are. So that my answer will be minus 1 by 5 into 1 2 1 2 3 1 1 1 5. This is my left hand side answer. Okay, what is that? Left hand side answer. Same answer you want to bring for a even right hand side. Have you understand? Have you understand pa? Yeah. Now A inverse we have to find A inverse we have to find. For that we have to find adjoint. Okay. Can I rub the what is the next side? Right hand side. Is anyone writing the right hand side? What all I need I will be asking you want to say. Understand? Right. Can I go? Okay pa. Now right hand side we are going. In the right hand side what we have actually adjoint of A inverse means first we have to find A inverse. For A inverse, later we have to take adjoint. Both should be, means answer 1 and what you are going to find, that should be equal. Understand? Right. So that let's start. First A inverse. A inverse now what you need ma? Adjoint A you need. Sorry, determinant of A you need. Even adjoint A also you need. Shall we go? Adjoint of A already we have. That we can use. Determinant of A alone we will find. Okay. Right. So that determinant of A will find. Determinant of A now, from here let me go. From question I will start Raja. So one you just take, and row and column if you strike out, what we have? 3, what is that? 1, 1, 5. Okay, minus, formula minus. What is the second? What is the second element ma? 2. Sorry. What is the second element Raja? 2. Okay. What is my second element? 2. 2 you can write. The 2 row and column if you strike out, 2, 1, 1, 5. Next third element. Third element what is given? 1 actually. Okay, 1. So that 1 column and row if you cancel na, 2, 3, 1, 1. 2, 3, 1, 1. Just adjoint. What is the determinant of A? We are finding 1 into 3 5s are 15, minus 1 1s are 1, minus 2 into 2 5s are 10, minus 1. 1 into 2 1s are 2, minus 1 3s are 3. If you simplify what I am getting, this will be 14 minus 9, 9 2s are 18, and this will be minus 1. So finally what I am getting, 14 minus 19 which is equal to minus 5 which is not equal to 0. Then A inverse exists. A inverse is exist. Okay, A inverse is exist. Right. So not only that, adjoint of A already we have. I will remember from 1. Adjoint of A only we have done first. Am I right? Can you tell me what is that adjoint of A we have? So you can write from left hand side. From left hand side, adjoint of A I can write directly. What is my adjoint of A? Can you tell me? 14. Row wise, column wise. Row wise. 14 minus 9 minus 1 minus 9 4 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. So this is my adjoint of A. So from left hand side, adjoint of A I have taken, and I have even determinant of A. Now we can go for the A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A, am right? So that 1 by determinant A is a minus 5. Adjoint of A we have 14 minus 9 minus 1 minus 9 4 1 minus 1 1 1 again. For this we have to find now adjoint of A. Adjoint of A inverse we have to find. Okay. So for adjoint of A inverse there is some scalar, right? That scalar you have to remove. Before that, the formula adjoint of K into A, which is equal to K power, what actually K power n minus 1 into adjoint A. Into adjoint A you will be getting. Okay. As per that, the K is here minus 1 by 5. So that minus 1 by 5 whole power, order is what here? 3 by 3. Okay. So that 3 power n minus means 3 minus 1 into adjoint A. What is adjoint for this number pa? Already we have done. Have you remember what is adjoint? This one is the adjoint for the number. Already we have done in the left hand side. Okay. The same thing I am going to use here. So that what you will be getting? Minus 5, minus 10, minus 5. The same thing, minus 10, minus 15, minus 5 once again. Okay. Then what you will be getting? Minus 5, minus 5 again, minus 25. Children, if you want to do what is the adjoint of A for this, separately you can do. But already we have done everything. So don't want to go. Understand? Don't want to go again. This is enough. Clear? Right. Now apply that. What you will be getting? Let's see. 3 minus 1 na 2, power 2. Okay, power 2 when you do, what you will be getting? Power 2 means 1 by 25 you will be getting. And one more thing, from this all, if you take minus 5 outside, what you will be getting? What you will be getting? Minus 5 into, what you will be getting? 1, 2, and 1 again, 2. From 15 if you take minus 5 na 3, 1 again, 1, 1, 5 5s are 25. That's it. This is I'm taking outside. Now when you simplify, you will be getting, children. We'll take into next page. The 5 under this you can cancel. What is that? 1 5s are 5 5s are. So that minus 1 by 5 I'm getting. What I'm getting? What I'm getting? Adjoint of A inverse, which is equal to minus 1 by 5 into what I'm getting? 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Next 2 3 1. What is that? 2 3 1. 2 3 1. Okay. 2 3 1. 1 1 5. That's it. So this is my answer for this. So answer 1 and answer 2, is it same? You have to check. This is my answer number 2. Answer number 1 here we have. Is that same answer number 1 and 2, children? See answer number 1 and answer number 2, is it same? So that therefore from 1 and 2 we get, yes, left hand side is equal to right hand side we are getting. Understand? Right. Next, second subdivision. Second subdivision, A inverse whole power minus 1, which is equal to A, we have to get it. So this is one formula. So already we have like what is that? A inverse. Here we have A inverse. Okay. A inverse, again inverse they asking. So A inverse already we have here. Understand? From that let me use, so that let me write that from where I'm taking, from the right hand side. Okay. From right hand side of 1 we get the A inverse equal to A inverse, sorry, just A inverse. A inverse equal to what we have by A inverse? Minus 1 by 5. Understand? Minus 1 divided by 5 into, what is that? 1 2 1 2 3 1 1 1 5. I hope this is we have. Oh, sorry. This is joint of A inverse. A inverse what? 14 minus 9 minus 1. 14 minus 9 minus 1. One more time. Minus 9 4 1. Minus 9 4 1 and minus 1 1 minus 1. Minus 1 1 minus 1. So this is the number we have there. Understand? This is A inverse. For this A inverse, you want to find what ma determinant of A. Okay. So if I am finding, because I want to find one more inverse. One more inverse we have to find. Then one more inverse na, first we have to find determinant of A inverse. So when you find determinant of A inverse, the formula is what? Listen, there is a scalar with a matrix. For that, if you take determinant, what you will be getting, pa? Have you remembered the formula? What you will be getting here? K power n. Very good. K power n into determinant of A. Understand? So that K is what here? Minus 1 by 5. What is the K here? Minus 1 by 5. So that minus 1 by 5 whole power 3 into determinant of A. Determinant of A we have. Determinant of A not this one. For this we have done a determinant already. Am I right in the previous page? Am I right? No, I didn't do. Oh, determinant we didn't do. We have to do. Okay, we have done a determinant for A only, not for A inverse. Right? Fine. Then for A inverse we have to find a determinant. Okay. Am I right? For A inverse we have to find a determinant. So kindly find it, children. What is this? First I'm taking 14. 14 if you take 14 row column, if you strike out, what you will be getting, Raja? What you will be getting? 4 1 1 minus 1. Then formula minus. Second number if you take minus 9. So that minus and minus plus 9 you will be getting. This row column if you strike out, minus 9 1 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, minus 9 1 minus 1 minus 1. Next minus 1 into the row column if you strike out, minus 9 4 minus 1 minus 9 4 minus 1 1. Okay, sorry, determinant symbol. So that's it. This one if you simplify, you will be getting determinant of A inverse. So determinant of A inverse, which is equal to, what you will be getting here? Minus 1 cube number minus 1, 5 cube number 125. So that determinant of A, what you will be getting, if you find for this, what I am getting, just see. Ma, just do it. 14 into, what I'm getting, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, formula minus 1 ones are 1, plus 9 into, okay, minus 9 into minus 1, so plus 9 you will be getting, formula minus, minus into minus, you will be getting plus 1. Next, minus 1 into, okay, minus 9, formula minus 1 into 4, 4, but minus 4 now, so it will become plus 4. Now we can simplify minus 1 by 25 into 14 into minus 5 plus 9 into 10 minus 1 into minus 5. That's it, Raja. You simplify this, minus 1 by 25. What I'm getting here? Minus 70, Amma. This will be 70. It will be 90. This will be minus into minus plus 5. So 95 minus 70, now you will be getting 25. How many 25 you will be getting this? How many 25 you will be getting this? 5 times. Understand? So that your answer will be minus 1 by 5. This is what determinant of A inverse. Now we can go for finding the what, Raja? Inverse. So determinant of A inverse, okay. Now we have to find adjoint. So that adjoint of A inverse. Adjoint of A inverse. Now listen, children. Here we have a A inverse. Here we have a A inverse. For the A inverse, you have to find a adjoint. But previously we have what actually? Some scalar. Scalar is there. Now there you must be very careful, Raja. There you must be very. What is it? Oh, for that already we have done adjoint term, right? Already we have done. Now where it is? Previous page. Here we have adjoint of A inverse. This we can use. Adjoint of A inverse, where we have this one. In the next page itself we have adjoint of A inverse. Adjoint of A inverse only we needed. That you can use. What is that? Minus 1 divided by 5. Minus 1 divided by 5. What it is? 1, 2, 1. 2, 3, 1. 1, 1, 5. Am I right, Pa? Am I right? This is I'm getting. Now you have to apply for this. Is it okay? A inverse, the whole inverse. Now what is the formula? You want to get EM, right? Okay. Let's substitute in the formula, then you will be getting, so that A inverse, the whole inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A inverse into adjoint of A inverse. Okay, that you have to go. So what is my 1 divided by determinant of A inverse? What? Minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 into adjoint of A inverse. Here we have adjoint of A inverse. Here we have. Actually, this adjoint of A inverse, from where I'm getting? From 2. This is 2 implies. Okay, from 2 implies you can mention if you want. So minus 1 divided by 5 into, what is that? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 5. Now you can cancel that numerator, denominator, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Then what is my remaining? That you can mention. So what it is? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 5. You can see this. This is purely what actually question. Okay, this is actually what actually question. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 5. This is purely question. Question means that is what? A. So that therefore A inverse, the whole inverse equal to A I'm getting. Have you understand, children? Is it okay, ma? So fourth Roman little big actually. So that you see carefully, Raja. This is first subdivision. Okay. Subdivision number 1. Left hand side we got some answer number 1. Okay. Right. Shall we go next, Raja? Right. That means yes. Question number 5. Okay. 5. Listen, but just evaluate. Means just determinant we have to take. So what is that? X I'm taking. The row and column, if you cancel, what you will be getting? X plus Y, X, X, Y. Second number when you go, actually, what is that? A11, A12, A13. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 means even. Even plus X. Understand? Like that, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 means odd number. Odd number in the sense negative. Negative y. Okay. That element row and column, if you strike out, what you will be getting? Y, x, x plus y, and y. Like that you have to go. Understand? Right. Next, third element, 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. Okay, ba. The element 1, 3 will go. Element 1, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 na even, that is plus. And the element is what? X plus y. For x plus y, if you cancel that row and column, what I am getting? Y, x plus y, x plus y again, and x. Okay. So here, if you take determinant, our answer will be over. Very simple. Raja, multiply carefully, pa. So y into x, xy, y into y, y square, minus x into x, x square, minus y into y, y square, formula minus x into x, x square, minus if you give inside na, x into y, xy, like that, plus xy into, listen carefully, y into x, what is that? Yx or xy? When you multiply this, this will be x plus y whole square. So what it will be coming? Minus x square minus y square minus 2xy you will be getting. Understand? That's it. So I multiply it directly here. I hope you will be understand. Right. Now you can multiply the outside element what? That you multiply inside. X into xy na, you will be getting x square y. Sir, you have to multiply inside like this. One by one you take, multiply inside. Understand? Say, so x into xy, x square y, x into y square, x square, x y square, x into x square, x cube. Same manner, take the minus y, you multiply inside. So what I am getting, let's see. Minus y into y square minus y cube, minus into minus plus x square y, minus into minus plus x y square. And here we have a two term. One you take x, be carefully you multiply. Like that, letter y you have to multiply. First x when you multiply. X into xy, what you will be getting? X into this you can subtract them, right? Before multiply. Xy, 2xy na minus 1xy you will be getting them, right? So minus 1xy na minus x square y you will be getting. Now x you multiply na x cube. X again if you multiply xy square. There we have subtracted limit. Okay. Now y, like that y you take. So y also you have to multiply same manner. Y into this. Again, there you don't want to multiply because we will be subtracting with the first element. Understand? We will be subtracting with the first element. When you subtract, you will be getting minus xy na. So minus y into that xy square minus x square y minus y cube. That we have subtracted already limit. Now what all element cancel? That you see there, Raja, and strike out. Listen, first plus x square y, where we have a minus x square y that you see. Here minus x square y, okay, like that. X y square plus x y square minus plus x y square. Here I'm giving double line for understand purpose. Single line, double line I'm giving for strike out. You people also use same idea, okay. And x square y, here we have x square y triple line, x square y triple line. Same manner, opposite manner I'm giving the slash one time. That's it. What all we have extra, you write, children? What all you have extra, right? Minus x cube we have one time, here one time. Then how many time? Two time we have. Minus 2x cube. Like that, y cube we have two times. So that minus 2y cube. Suppose if you are taking minus 2 outside, you will be getting x cube plus a y cube. That's it. This is my final answer for the question number 5. Kindly check the book bag answer. Okay, ma'am. Right, fine. Children, your cancellation and all, you must be very careful. Understand? Let's go to question number. What happened? You want to copy? Write fast. Write faster, Raja. Shall we go, Pa? Okay. Next question number 6. By side over, Amma. Question number 6, Raja. 6 also it's like a same, na? 6 also it's look like a same, like, but there is one they gave in one what is that row? Right, sorry, one column they give. Right, fine. Let's go with the row 1. Normal determinant, evaluate, and they give determinant symbol. Now we have to go determinant only. I'm going like A11, A12, A13. A11 means 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 means even number na plus, and the element A11 is what? 1. One element. And that one element row column, if you strike out, what we have? That you have to write here. So that x plus y, x plus y you will be getting. Formula minus. Now element 1, 2 I'm going. 1, 2 means 1 plus 2 what? 3. Odd number. Odd number means minus. And the element what is that? X. That x row column if you strike out 1 y, 1 x plus y you will be getting. Next element A13. What is 1, 3 pa? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 means even number. Even number means plus y. Y only we have here, so y are gave. The row column if we strike out 1 x plus y, 1 x. That's it. Now you can take a determinant. 1 into, if you multiply this together, x plus y into x plus y, what you will be getting? X plus y whole square. That means x square plus y square plus 2xy you will be getting. Is it okay? The formula x plus y whole square. And these together if you multiply minus x into y xy. That's it. Minus x into. When you multiply these together 1 into x plus y formula minus 1 into y plus y into 1 into x formula minus 1 into x plus y minus x plus y na minus you have to send inside also. So minus y you will be getting. So what all possible to cancel you strike out? Plus x minus x plus y minus y, and this you have to subtract. Okay. Now what I am getting? 1 into x square y square na same x square y square plus 2xy minus 1xy na plus 1xy, that is just xy you will be having. Now x into x minus x square like that, y into minus y square. Then what is remaining? Plus x square minus x square plus y square and minus y square is cancelled. Then what is my remaining, children? Plus xy. Check the book bag, ma. Okay, ma'am. So this is our book bag answer. When you take determinant, be careful, Raja. When you take determinant, be careful. The elements and all, do carefully. Right. Multiplication, taking determinant. XY means okay. Sometimes they will be giving trigonometry function. There also you must be careful. Understand? Next question number 7. Shall we go next, pa? Right, pa. Next. Question number 7, Raja. Question number 7. Using properties of determinant. Listen, using properties of determinant in exercise 11 to 11. I think old textbook number they given. Old textbook number they given 11 to 15. As per new textbook 7 to the continue end. Okay. This is old textbook they given. Leave it. This you leave it wrong. Using properties of determinant in the exercise, prove that solve the system of equation. Just we have to solve. You have to solve. It means what is the variable, unknown variable x, y, z, that you have to find. First you make matrix, Raja. So that let, what is my A matrix? Listen. Coefficient of 1 by x what? Coefficient of 1 by x what? Here coefficient of 1 by x what? 2. Coefficient of 1 by y 3. Coefficient of 1 by z 10. Same manner. Coefficient of 1 by x 4. Coefficient of 1 by y minus 6. Coefficient of 1 by z 5. Like that. 6, 9, minus 20. This is my A matrix. Okay. Now what is the variable for Raja? X is equal to 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. That is the variable matrix. And what is the constant matrix, ma? 4, 1, 2. 4, 1, 2. Normal determinant, how you will be solving with help of Ax equal to B. That normal A inverse determinant you have to find. So determinant of A, let's find first. So that 2 if you take, what you will be getting? This row and column cancel, na? What I am getting? Minus 6, 5, 9, minus 20. Okay. Like that second number when you go, you will be having negative and the element 3. 3 row column if you strike out 4, 5, 6, minus 20. Okay. What is that? 4, 5, 6, minus 20. Next element 3 means last element 10 if you take. 10 row column if you strike out 4, minus 6, 6 and 9. 4 minus 6, 6 and 9. That's it. If you simplify, you will be getting, right? Listen, 2 into 6 in minus and minus plus 6 to the 12 means minus plus 120 minus 9 5s are 45 minus 3 into 4 2s are 8, so minus 80, formula minus 6 5s are 30 plus 10 into 9 4s are 36, formula minus 6 6 are 36 again, minus and minus plus 36 you will be getting, right? Now what I am getting, that remaining here itself I will complete. So 120 minus 45 what? 120 minus 45. What you will be getting? Huh? 85, not 75, right? 75 minus 3 into minus 110 Raja, and here plus 10 into 72. Okay, simplify this. What is that? 150, 75 into 2, 150, and minus into minus plus 3 into 11, 330, and 720. Add everything, Raja. 720, 330, 150. So 0 you will be getting. Again 0, 1, 10, 12. It means 1200 we are getting. 1200 which is not equal to 0. Then A inverse is exist. Okay, A inverse is exist. So this is my determinant of A. After finding determinant of A, what we have to find, pa? What we have to find? Adjoint of A. What we have to find? Adjoint of A. Right, find. So that adjoint of A matrix here we have. From middle only we have to start the next element. So middle what we have? Minus 6. Next number 5. So 5 after next number 4. 4 after again beginning number should come minus 6. Then third row I am going 9 minus 20 and 6 9. 6 9. Then go back to row number 1. 3 10 2. 3 10 2. Then beginning number 3 again. Then in first row you have to write again minus 6 5 4 minus 6. So this is 4 by 4 matrix. Okay, now you can make, what is that? Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to, what you can multiply these together. What I am getting here? 6 2s are minus and minus plus 6 2s are 12, 0, formula minus 9 5s are 45. When you subtract, you will be getting 75. Mention here 75. like that. 9 into 10, 90, formula minus 9 twos are, sorry, 3 twos are 6, minus minus plus 6 0, which is equal to 150. So mention here 150. So this will be over. Then 3 5s are 15, formula minus plus 6 into 10, 60, which is equal to 75. So mention here 75. Then going back to this one, 6 5s are 6 5s are what ma? 30, formula minus 4 2s are 8, minus plus 8, which is equal to 110. So that 110 you will be getting, and here what, minus 20 into 2 minus 40, formula minus 10 into 6 60, you will be getting minus 100. So that minus 100 you will be getting. 10 into 4 40, formula minus 5 2s are 10, which is equal to 30. So that 30 we can give. So again 4 9s are what ma? Sorry, 4 9s are 36, formula minus 6 6 are 36, minus plus 36, which is equal to 72. So you will be getting here 72. 6 3s are 18, formula minus 9 2s are 18 again. 18 minus 18, which is equal to 0. So here 0. And 2 into minus 6 minus 12, formula minus 4 3s are 12, which is equal to minus 24. So minus 24 we are getting. This is, we have to take transpose to get a adjoint A. So that adjoint A, which is equal to, row you write as column, children. Row you write as column. So 75, 110, 72. Understand? Next, what is that? 150 minus 100, 0. Like that, 75, 30 minus 24. This is my adjoint A. So what we have to find then? A inverse. So that A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint A. Determinant of A 1200, and adjoint of A we have here 75, 150, 75 again, and 110, 72 minus 100, 0, 30 minus 24. Understand? So this is my A inverse. After getting A inverse, we have to write the formula. What formula? Ax equal to B. That formula we have to use. Okay, have you done this? Tell me, Hari, have you done? Wait, then next to MCQ only. I'll complete this fast. Then you copy. Okay. Wait, I'll complete. I said Ax is equal to B. X is equal to, just listen ma, A inverse B. X matrix we know that is 1 by X, 1 by Y, 1 by Z. A inverse what na? Children, A inverse what? 1 by 1200. And what is the A inverse we have? That you write 1 by 1200. And what we have? What is 75, 150, 75, 75, 150, 75, and 110, 130, 110, 130. Next 72, 0, 24. 72, 0 minus 24. And B matrix. What is my B matrix ma? Here we have B matrix 4, 1, 2. That is my B matrix. 4, 1, 2. So that 4, 1, 2 you will be getting. Now this you have to product row with a column. Okay. Same row with a column again. Same thing we have to do. This 1200, let it be as it is. Now listen, 75 into 4. What was 75 4s are 300 plus 150 into 1. 150 into 1, 150. 75 into 2, 150 again. 75 into 2, 150. Understand? Take second row, multiply with the column. 110 into 4. 110 into 4 what ra? 4 4 0. Okay. 100 into 1 means minus 100 into 1 minus 100. 30 into 2 60. Okay. Next second row. 72 into 4 da. 4 2s are 8 and 28. 288 288. Now 1 into 0, 0, and minus 24 into 2, minus 48. Now you see, subtract this ma. 1 by 1200. When you add everything, what I am getting? 300, 600. And what about here? 500, 400. Okay. Next, 288. If you remove 48, what I am getting? 0, 4, 2. So what I am getting? 240. What I am getting? 240. Now you take 1200 inside, children. Take 1200 inside. Here we have 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z, which is equal to what I am getting here? 600 by 1200. Like that, 400 by 1200. Same manner, 240 by 1200. Okay. Now, when you cancel this everything, what I am getting? Listen, 0000 cancel, 1626. 0000 cancel, 14 3 times. 1010 cancel, and this will be what? How many 24 you will be getting? One. That you can cancel, but 0 is there. Okay. 10 into 12, 2 into 12, 1 12, 5 times. So 5 times it will be coming. So which is equal to what I am getting here? Which is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. This is all actually what? 1 by x value. So when you equate 1 by x equal to 1 by 2, 1 by y equal to 1 by 3, and 1 by z is equal to 1 by 5. When you reciprocal on both sides, so what I am getting? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, z is equal to 5. So this is my answer. Understand, children? Children, this is one of the important questions because the variable they gave in a reciprocal manner. Have you noticed it? Kindly give important for 7th one model. Okay, right. Next one, 2 MCQs we have. 2 MCQs we have. Just listen. I'll give shortcut for this. Shortcut, if you take easily, you can complete. Listen. Listen carefully. Everybody listen carefully. The shortcut is very important. Everybody kindly listen. See, if they are given a diagonal matrix, listen everybody. Kindly listen. If they are given diagonal matrix means what? The upper and lower triangle means other than diagonal element, remaining will be 0. The upper triangle, lower triangle will be 0. Okay. Other than diagonal element, what is that? Other than diagonal element, other element will be 0. Diagonal element will be something will be. Okay. If it is given this matrix, what they are asking to find? A inverse. Inverse of matrix they are asking. Very simple. Listen. A inverse if they are asking for a diagonal matrix na, reciprocal diagonal element. Very simple. Listen. Reciprocal the diagonal element. Reciprocal the diagonal elements. That's it. Okay, this is the idea. Suppose for the same question, if they are asking determinant of A, product the diagonal element. Product the diagonal element. Okay, product the diagonal elements. Product the diagonal elements, you will be getting determinant of A. Okay, if they are given diagonal matrix, these two things you can do. Understand? And what they will ask? Transpose. A transpose if they ask. Diagonal element is given. A transpose if they ask. Same question will be coming. So this ideas and all you have to remember. Then only easily you can score mark in the MCQ. Understand? This is the idea. Right. Now what they are asking? Inverse of matrix. It means A inverse. So A we have what? X 0 0 0 y 0 0 0 z. This is the A. Then what it will be? A inverse, children? A inverse what? I told to reciprocal the diagonal element. What I said? Reciprocal the diagonal element. Reciprocal the diagonal elements. Understand? When you reciprocal, what I am getting? 1 by x 0 0 0 1 by y 0 0 0 1 by z. Where is the option? Where is the option? It's not there. Option A. Reciprocal means they have taken into numerator. 1 by x when you take to numerator, x power minus 1. 0 0 0. 1 by y when you take to numerator, y power minus 1 0. 0 0. 1 by z when you take to numerator, you will be getting like this. This is xy variable they give. Suppose any number they are given, any number 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3 if they are given, what is the A inverse? 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 by 2, 0, 0, 0, 1 by 3. That's it. This is the A inverse. Very easy to go in MCQ. Easily you can find. This is the idea you want to remember. This three idea, kindly remember. This three idea, kindly remember to make easier for MCQ question. Understand? Right. Or else you want to do a big step. How? Find a determinant A and adjoint of A, apply in a formula, then only you will be getting answer. Be careful. Clear? Right. I'm going to next. Question number 9. Question number 9. What is given? Just see children. Question number 9. Just A is given and all determinant is mentioned. So determinant A is what we have to find. Determinant A, what we have to find. Shall we find determinant of A for this? Shall we find? Yeah. So determinant of A will go. Determinant of A will go. So determinant of A which is equal to, I'm going row 1. So A11, A12, A13. A11 element is 1. 1 this if you cancel now, 1 sin theta minus sin theta 1. That's it. Minus formula minus sin theta into second row and column if you strike dot minus sin theta minus 1 1 and third element 1 if you take row column if you cancel minus sin theta 1 minus 1 minus sin theta. Children, take a determinant then you comes to know what it is. 1 into 1 1s are 1 formula minus sin into sin minus sin square, so minus and minus plus sin square you will be getting minus sin into, if you take cross multiply 1 into minus sin formula minus 1 into sin minus and minus plus sin you will be getting plus 1 into minus sin plus sin square formula minus 1 into 1 minus and minus plus 1. So you can notice that here minus and plus and it will be 0. So 0 into anything, the middle term will be 0. So 1 plus sin square theta and there one more sin square plus 1. So sin 1 plus 1 2, sin square plus sin square 2 sin square. So 2 if you take outside, 2 into 1 plus sin square you want to find. Determinant of A equal to, this is the answer. Sir, this is the answer you got, but this answer not there in an option. Have you noticed it? So that what you have to do, they asking belongs to. Belongs to means what is the domain is given here. Domain is given. Then they asking range. What is the range? Range, do you know how to find from the chapter number 2? I gave ideas. I gave even extra sums also. How to find domain, how to find range. Domain means what? Theta. Theta they gave 0 to 2 pi. That is the domain. Range means what? Whole question you want to bring in the middle. Understand that you have to do. What is the range of sign? What is the range of sign? Range of sign. Range of sign. This is the range of sign. Okay. Children, range of sign is equal to closed interval minus 1 comma 1 for sin theta. This is for sin theta. Okay, but I need sin square. So what do you do? Listen carefully. What do you do? Square on both sides. When you square, it will become less than or equal to sin square theta 1 square 1. Here minus 1 square what will be happen? Minus 1 square if you square, minus 1 if you square, plus 1. But you cannot give plus 1 on both the side. Would it mean the interval? Would it mean the interval? Listen. So here minus 1, here 0, middle, sorry, here 1, middle we have a 0, 0 previous all negative number. Listen carefully here. 0 previous all negative number. 0 after all positive number. So when you square, all the negative number will be gone. Am I right? Then from where your number will be starting? From 0 to 1. So what do you want to give here then? 0 to 1. When it will be happen? When you square. You must be very careful here. You must be very careful here. You after square, minus 1 square plus 1 if you give, it is a wrong. It is a wrong. Okay, because when you square all negative number is gone, then number will start from 0 to 1. So this is remaining we have after square. So 0 to 1 I am giving. Later what I need, I need a plus 1 along with the sine square plus 1. So add 1 on both sides. Add 1 on both sides. So 0 plus 1 less than or equal to 1 plus sine square less than or equal to 1 plus 1. 0 plus 1 1 less than or equal to 1 plus sine square less than or equal to 2. Then what I need extra? 2 I want to multiply with the question. Then multiply 2 on both sides. When I multiply 1 2s are 2 less than or equal to 2 into 1 plus sine square theta less than or equal to 2 into 2. So 1 2s are 2 less than or equal to question. Question means what? The determinant of A. Okay, determinant of A less than or equal to 2 2s are 4. Okay, therefore determinant of A is belongs to 2 comma 4. That is determinant of A, how they are given in option DTA belongs to 2 comma 4. Where you have this option? Option D. Okay, determinant A. Determinant A is belongs to D. Option D. So this is a super question they gave. Sir, in the question number 9, super question they gave. Here they have collapsed with the question chapter number 2 and 4. Okay, be careful. Be careful. This is theta's given domain. Range they are asking indirectly. Be careful here. Understand? I hope we have done the all miscellaneous question. Thank you, children. 4th chapter is over. Next 5th chapter I will come with the next video. Thank you. Take care. See you. Bye.